Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add asterisks bullet points in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show add asterisk bullet point. Now select from a text. Now going to the home menu option, then click for a bullet points option. Now click for a asterisk bullet point. Now click for a align center. That it's. Now you can see bullet points from change the size. Now click for a bullet point and numbering option. Now size from 30 pt. Now for OK. That it's. Now you can see add the bullet points in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.